Welcome to Costa Blanca. Today we are in Punta Prima and I'm going to show you this exclusive new development consisting of 10 brand new luxury villas. All of the villas consist of 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Are you ready? Let's have a look. So as you can see, here is some outdoor space. It's perfect for relaxing with friends and family. It's a nice and big area outside. And also all the villas are south facing, which means you have sun all day long. And also we have a private swimming pool over here. And the swimming pool is very big compared to new built properties. Normally they are a bit smaller. So I really like the size of this swimming pool. And this house have been constructed with high materials and really a modern feeling to it. So now we are going to go inside and have a look. So as you can see in this property, it's a nice and modern feeling to it. It's nice and open and has a lot of windows as well. So it means it comes a lot of natural lighting to it. And the decoration is really spot on this property. Very nice and modern and a home you can be really proud of. And also as you can see in this kitchen, it's an open kitchen plan, which means it gives a more open feeling to it and it seems also a lot bigger. And that is also the modern feeling that people are using nowadays. And also it's built with high materials, high quality. And all the white goods is also made of Bosch, as you can see. And it's really nice with the white color combined with this wooden color. It's all about the details and it's all about the looks. And this property is perfectly located in Punta Prima, which is just in between Torrevieja and Orihuela Costa. And this is one of the last remaining plots available in the whole area. So if you want to secure a new built property in Punta Prima, this might be one of your last chances. Let's continue. And here on the ground floor, apart from the kitchen and the living room, we also have 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. And this is the entrance to the property. I really like to highlight that you have a big spacious entry, which is not very common in Spanish properties. So that's a really good detail. You can also storage your shoes and clothing here. So it's a really nice and elegant entrance to the property. And here we have the perfect space for a little room as a home office, for example. It's perfect to have your computer here, do a little bit of work. Even if you're on holiday, it's nice to have your little private space to do some work, and also nice with the windows, so some bright lighting is coming in. And then over here we have the main bedroom. This is the master bedroom. As you can see, it's very bright and big and spacious, and it also have its own bathroom. And now we are going to look at the last bedroom. This is the 3rd bedroom. Also have an ensuite bathroom and it's also spacious. And as you can see, a big spacious bedroom, also with access to the balcony. And as you can see, lots of good storage room in the whole property. I really like that about the property. It has good storage throughout the whole house. And now we are going to look at the balcony. This balcony is also south facing, which means you have sun through the whole day as well. This property is really something special considering all the outdoor spaces. Nice view. You get that really private feeling in the property. Nice and modern. Now we are on the roof terrace of this beautiful property. This is obviously the private roof terrace to the house. Very nice open view. And as I was mentioning earlier, south facing, which means you have the sun going up and you have sun all day long on the whole of the property. And here in Spain, it's always important to have south facing properties because most of the people really like that, considering they come to Spain because of the sun. If you are looking for an exclusive new-built luxury villa with high-end materials, this property might be the perfect solution for you. With 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and a spacious plot with a private south-facing pool, it truly is designed for a luxury retreat. The property is perfectly located between Torrevieja and La Senia, just a short drive away from the beach and La Senia Boulevard. The development consists of 10 new villas and only 3 are left. So if you are interested in securing one, click the link down below to schedule a free consultation call with me. As a bonus, if you buy any new built property with me on Costa Blanca, you'll receive a 3,000 euros voucher that you can spend on furniture, air conditioning or anything else you desire for your new home.